He was fast, clean, courteous, professional, knew his work, had all the tools, and what more could you ask for? You can't ask for anything else.
I just want to say thank you guys. We appreciate everything you did for us.
Thank you very much.
We're very grateful.
So again, thank you HomeServe, thank you KNS, thank you for the opportunity today.
I haven't even been with them a year, and they're treating me like I've been with them for years and years.
We called the warranty company. They sent a man out that day. So I said, okay, what do I owe you? He shook my hand, he says, have a nice day, and he drove off. I happen to think this is one excellent program, and I'm very, very impressed with it. I would recommend it to anybody.
What they did for me is priceless. There's no way to describe how valuable this service is. And so I'm suggesting to other homeowners that there's no reason not to have such a policy.
Y'all are just God's miracle. And I thank you all very much for this service.